Hello dear friends, I'm Ken from RX Laser. Thank you for joining us today. We will give you a tour to our factory. We are manufacturers of pipe cutting and processing machines in Foshan, China since 2003. Here we cover up an area of over 15,000 square meters. We are in the new factory which we just relocated since last December. It is mainly responsible for machine developing, assembly, testing, and shipment. We also have another factory several kilometers away from here, which is for basic machining. Now, let's show you the main two workshops in the factory. Now we are standing in front of the A1 workshop, where we call it Non-Standard Business Division. This division is mainly produced machines for different industries and customization based on customers' needs. Now we have series of laser tube cutting models made it in this workshop, including the ultra high-speed multifunction laser tube cutting models K6, high-speed round pipe cutting up series, elbow fittings cutting series, and the online laser cutter for tube mills. Now let's get inside it and have a check on it. Now we are in the production area of the K6 models. We call K6 the ultra high-speed multifunctional laser tube cutting machines. The main feature of K6 is its speed. Its acceleration is up to 1.5 G, which is 30% faster than normal laser tube cutting machine. It can cut holes, make hook ends, and other profile designs. Not only round tubes, it can also cut square tubes, rectangular tubes, and oval tubes. In addition, it's equipped with the automatic loader as a standard configuration. What's more, we are in developing a cloud monitoring software for the K6 to realize remote monitoring and operation control of the machines by cell phone or PC. Now we are standing beside the FL120F. It's these high-speed round pipe cutting off models. It can cut pipes up to OD 150 millimeters. We specially designed this model for the auto parts industry. We all know that the parts for auto vehicle production is with high standard and large quantity, and this model can reach their demands. It also has an automatic loader to realize auto feeding, cutting, and loading. Its cutting accuracy can reach minus or plus 0.1 millimeters. With our patent technology, the anti-spatter function for laser tube cutting, it can make the inner walls of the tubes clean with no dust after laser cutting. Now we are in the production area of the FL40F, the super high-speed round pipe cutting off models. This model is specialized for cutting off small and thin round pipe workpiece with an average cutting speed to 2,500 pieces per hour, sometimes even higher, for 3,000 pieces per hour. It is very economic and suitable for first-timer to laser technology. It's very easy to control. We can also customize the machine to longer cutting lengths based on your specific requirements. 1.5 meters long, 2 meters long, 3 meters long, and even 4 meters long. We can also cut shorter, like 3 millimeters. We are standing in front of the office of the A1 workshop. It's the core of the non-standard business division. We have over 30 core engineers for R&D department right here. We will devote 15% of annual output value to R&D in order to make sure over 5 sets of new laser tube cutting models each year. We have the highest investment into R&D amongst all laser suppliers. Here is our storage area. We have complete procedure to control all materials in and out. We have QC to control the material of all components which will be used for our machine productions. With ordinary management, we can reach to a capacity of up to 150 sets of all models. We have the highest shipments of laser tube cutting machines. Now we are moving from the A1 workshop to the A2 workshop. Now we are in the A2 workshop. We call it Universal Model Business Division. Here in this division, we will develop and produce the models of multifunctional laser tube cutting machines. The meanings of universal is that the models here has a wide range of applications in pipe cuttings. No matter your pipes are round tubes, rectangular tubes, oval tubes, square tubes, L-shaped, deep shaped, U-shaped, and other shapes. No matter it's for furniture, sanitary hardwares, fence productions, or auto parts, no matter you want to cut any kinds of designs based on your profiles, it can realize it. All the models in the A2 workshop has the design based on the ergonomics and modern industry. You can see the control panels right here can move 180 degrees from left to right. And the cover is hoverable based on the operator's height. We won the Red Spot Award, which is considered as the best design award in China by our universal design. And all the components that we use for these models are from famous brands worldwide, such as the servo drive we use from Panasonic or Yaskawa. The electronic components are from Schneider's or Siemens. For the control systems, we use Germany Power Automations. And the nesting software, we use the Red Tube from UK Hexagon. That's it for the tour to our factory today. I hope that it will make you know more about our factory and our products. For more information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more pictures or videos, and you can also send inquiries to our home website at any time. Until next time, I'm Ken. Bye.